What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to redeem a code on Steam. Whether you have a Steam gift card or wallet code, this guide will help you add funds to your account quickly and easily. First, open Steam on your PC or go to the Steam website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, move your mouse over to your username in the top right corner of the screen and click on Account Details from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account management page. From here, look for the option labeled Add funds to your Steam wallet and click on it. Alternatively, you can go directly to your Steam wallet by clicking your username again and selecting View My Wallet. Both methods will take you to the same place. Once you're on the Steam wallet page, you will see options to add funds using a credit or debit card. But since you're redeeming a gift card or wallet code, look to the right-hand side just below your current wallet balance. Here, you will find an option that says Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Click on it and wait a moment while the page loads. Now, enter your Steam wallet code exactly as it appears on your gift card or code slip. Once you've typed it in, press Continue. Steam will verify the code, display the amount being added to your wallet, and ask you to confirm. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm the redemption. Once the funds have been added, your Steam wallet balance will be updated, and you can now use it to purchase games, DLCs, or any other content available on the Steam store. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.